Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the switch is on, Minecraft updated, and you have adequate storage. This prevents failed saves. Once loaded, open the exact world and position yourself where you want the snapshot. Make sure a controller is connected and the HUD elements you want visible are toggled on or off before capturing. You do this because the game records what's on screen. Preparing the scene first saves time and avoids extra editing later. Now move to framing and camera mode. You frame shots by switching to creative for free camera or by angling your view in survival. This gives control over composition. Once satisfied, press the switch capture button on the left Joy-Con for a quick screenshot, or use the Minecraft camera item if you want in-game photos with item metadata. Make sure to adjust time, weather, and FOV before pressing capture because those settings change mood and visibility. If UI is intrusive, hide the HUD, then snap the image. You finish by locating the image in the Switch album and choosing to keep, edit, or copy it to micro SD for transfer. Once copied, use a PC or wireless transfer to backup or share. The system editor handles quick crops. If your capture fails, make sure at least 100-200 MB free storage exists, then reboot the Switch and retry. This clears temporary locks. If problems persist, update the game and console firmware. Then retest the capture sequence to confirm success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.